Some people, the whole Jamaica at right now, the whole place eat up. Stefflon and Jada Kingdom War eat up the whole place. Everybody and their mother I talk about it. So me capture two person. I talk about it seeing Swisley and Raja. And uno know say Raja mouth boss. And Raja know about Stefflon father because it come to a point where they must say when Burna Boy say him get the best pum pum at Kingston, him a talk about Stefflon Dan. So Raja I go talk about that and make you understand say at Jada Kingdom him a talk about. Although all we know say at Jada Kingdom. The reason why them say Stefflon Dan are because Stefflon Dan father come from Kingston. But me I go make Raja explain everything for you. I wanna know say him out boss. But we are go check out Swisley part first and hear what Swisley have to say about it because the two of them give them point of view and we are going to hear what them say.
We're done there, man. We're done. Jada Kingdom gone too far. Where me no how give me pill? How give me pill? How give me pill? How give me pill? Mama na bother sing my song, mama. Mama, me not tell a lie. Me read the two artists. And then the two come right there, so. And the two look me and fuck the two of them. But boy, Mama deal with your weird, Mama deal with it like cartel. Mama say when you take the pill and your body and your body. Jesus Christ, as I'm gonna look for a pill, look at me and say that pill there. When you say take money, they say don't eat that.
Yo, Jada Kingdom go hard, you know.
I want pedophile in for them. Why? Why? Jada Kingdom, nobody never clash because you love disrespect people too much. Jada Kingdom, you love disrespect people too much. Nobody never clash you. Because you're too out there, you want to get in order. But the woman, when the woman name pill, woman name all ass. Bro, why you tell the woman about her front every minute, bro? Bro, you know about the woman from Big like London Bridge. So the woman from Big like London Bridge, and that Burna Boy by Rolls Royce for.
Yo.
No, on my foot. Now send Burna Boy a voice note. Now send Burna Boy a voice note. I say, Burna Boy. Oh, you have two girls fight over your me, so one of them from Big like London Bridge.
Cha.
Burna Boy now move right till you're rich enough. And me say 401 million book here in the US, you know.
So much.
And you tell me, say, you buy Rolls Royce, and I mean, one girl that say next girl will Big like London Bridge. Burna Boy, I'm going to send you a voice note. Can you talk about bye-bye? Bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye. Suppose Jesus Christ, but Jada Kingdom, he say, Burna Boy say you old Big like London Bridge, that's why I say bye-bye. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yo.
Oh, let me hear Stefflon that I go out with. Let me hear Stefflon that I go out with no, cause boy. Subscribe to rhythm, you know. Mama use my dada rhythm. Stefflon Dan. You make it once inside see. Jesus. And it's bicycle. I'm inside see. She pay me for 5E. 55. Oh, it's happy. 5E. How you spell her name? I can't find her name now. Yeah, look who clash nice.
Yeah, man, for real.
Stefflon Dan.
Just keep it lyrical, you know?
My mama take her book off of YouTube. Stefflon Dan about to run, you know? Because his clash don't start. Oh, sir. My final. No, man, I speak justice. No, Stefflon Dan sing first. Stefflon Dan sing first.
Cheesy calzone, epic stuffed crust pizza for a limited time. Only at Papa John's.
Like Chanel Moore.
How was that?
Why you sound like Chanel Moore? I don't know, I cut out. I said, flat. I can love it.
And you know, say people, that are the first thing come to my mind when me hear Stefflon part of the song. Yeah, man, when me hear Stefflon song, I say, oh, Stefflon sound like Chanel Moore, so. You know what I mean? It's a different flow, nothing wrong with it still.
Like Chanel. I said, you be flat. It shall go on still, man. I be biased, it's tough. Jada back road girl. What I mean, Jada, me never go back road yet today. But if Jada around them, I go. What I mean, Jada back road girl?
Me too.
I can't take them clash here, man. Not too out of that one getting harder. What I mean? Me never go back road yet, but me and Jada around them, I go. Jada Kingdom a cokehead. Jada Kingdom a cokehead. Jada Kingdom a cokehead.
You have to go ask Jada that, my dog.
Jada Kingdom, me I take coke. Tell you cokehead, see here this chiefy chat. Tell you cokehead, see that set a bit of flat. Who a cokehead? Yo, somebody give me a pill here, man. I who give me a pill? I who give me a pill? I'm not go around. I'm not go around Stefflon. I like you as a female artist. I'm not go around. And I like how. And I like Jada Kingdom as a female artist. But you sing the chorus round and round, round and round. I not hear you tell her about her front, this or about her more, like how Jada rather me. I hear about Jada song one more time. I hear about your song one more time too. But you're not giving a punch. You're weak. She not, no. Jada said me want to know if she bad. If Jada bad, Jada sing back on the rhythm. See, if Jada bad, I sing back on the rhythm. This her, and it bad, Jada not sing no more song. Just love it.
Jada song out on the
Stefflon,
rhythm.
we wait for your answer now. We wait for your answer now. Stefflon, I don't know, might be guy, why she sing that weak song? Might be because, might be why she sing that song.
Jada Kingdom have a song on the Dirty Money Rhythm to, you know, people where she released, you know what I mean? So Jada Kingdom, I think smart. She released the diss track on the Taliban rhythm, and now she come do the song on Russian rhythm. And I like the video. You know what I mean? Now at the time where Jada Kingdom I get a highlight, and she should just take the opportunity right now and try to elevate her career and propel her career, because she in the media both America and Jamaica. So she have to just take the opportunity and just run with it. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Start off, so we are watching her for the second round. Because if we start off the clash, we don't need to start off the clash again. If we make the artist, we see what she have. So we are geared by 5 o'clock. In a later, we see what she go job. Because might be a clash, you know. When I know about clash, you know, me a music industrial man, you know. A clash. You have to give him a local song, call her name 2 times, make you see where she go job. But Jada Kingdom a lead so far. One love. You hear mama? One love. Arnett and Tivoli again, one love. One love, mama. Me hear what Jada go on with again. One love. You under one, mama. You under one, mama. One love. One love. One love. The inch alone killer. And the inch alone killer. Can come like Jada go give burn a piece of the pum pum. And the man go sing about Jada Kingdom pum pum. You hear the inch on the mama. And the inch alone killer. You hear the inch? Jesus Christ, mama, you lose. Mama, it done. Mama, it can't saw the back. Mama, it done.
True.
I fox, mama, lick you with it up.
True, man.
Mama, I fox, mama, lick you with it up.
True, man.
Mama, I fox, mama, me does I catch a blood clot read of the song. Someone buy a jerk, that Birkins in Jada Kingdom. Yeah, mama, intro.
Inch alone, bad.
Any girl who can't give a song, no fuck it back. You're an artist. Jesus. Hear them Bambi. Hear them Bambi in a song already. I'm Maglon Kings and Queen this. Hear them Bambi already in the intro. Yeah. Ooh. say the music, you just might be sing for hear where she are coming. But Stefflon, if you make the girl tell about your mother. Chuck to your mother that if you... I said, I go see Jada King and box off her blood clot wig. Because you know manners. I box off your blood clot wig, Jada. Jada King, I box off your blood clot wig.
And the whole like Jamaicans them full up in a Burna Boy inbox for Instagram and in comments, you know. Full up in one comments.
That part of what she said. Jada King, I met the little girl them start, when them fuck them start stretch out them hand. Jada Kingdom, in 2020, every time I sex the girl them stretch out them hand, I broke. Jada Kingdom, a new year now. Please and thanks, stop telling the girl them to sell them front, please. Tell the girl them to find love and love them man. Stop telling the girl them to sell them front of Jada Kingdom. Please, Jada Kingdom, I don't have it. No, they can make one little girl come check me and say, Swiss Lady, me just give some. And stretch out her and they're going to shut me eye like my blind. Jada Kingdom, please, Jada Kingdom, please. Please, Jada Kingdom, please, Jada Kingdom, I don't have it. Jada Kingdom, broke. You know, your mama say half a mil. You know, here Jada Kingdom say like the dog buy a watch for her. Here guys, when now listen to the lyrics. Mama say half a mil in a pound. Look for my wrist. Bumbuckler, Burna Boy, I spend hard. Burna Boy might as well walk me a girl, mat.
Yeah, man, you look like a whole heap of things Burna Boy buy for Jada Kingdom. Because Jada Kingdom say in her life, say if for the Birkin alone, you don't know about. You see me, I remember him saying buy a Birkin for Jada Kingdom and him phone get ring down, so him buy 6 more. A whole heap of things him buy give Jada.
Boy, so that tell yours. Burna Boy. Burna Boy 90 million you spend pan.
And that's so much dog. And that's so much dog. 90 million pound, you know how much money that is? And that's so much dog.
Senegal, Paris.
Senegal, Paris. Check.
Boy, Burna Boy wants slap in your blood clot head. Burna Boy, the money they have. Burna Boy, you have pay for pussy hard.
Dog, spend a food pan Jada, man.
Jada Kingdom. Oh, 90 million US, 90 million pound, and 90 million. Burna Boy, you're so rich. Then I go buy the next one Rolls Royce. What you song where you gonna sing? Where you gonna sing? And everybody try breakfast and we say thank you. Thank you. If you be there with 2 man, thank you. Come here by one carry, one watch, thank you. Thank you. And I say thank you. You can't come with that, you know. You can't come with that. You pick find one rascal song for the 2 of them. Burna Boy, you can't come with that. You have to find one rascal song for the 2 of them and say, cheating in the next door. I have a son, people simple like an a cheating with Jada. Then me see Stefflon and that boss that she was one brother. Oh, Jada for go like say she don't love me. Remember your Birkin bag and she love me. Oh, Stefflon for go like she don't love me. Remember your Rose Rice so she have to love me. And that me one blood clot here. If be a girl itself, you know how to play. If you fuck Jada, then me fuck Stefflon. And that me want here. So you're cheating when Jada? Wasn't me. Then they cheated one Stefflon, it wasn't me. But me for the 2 of them, it wasn't me. And that me want you hear. And mother come in and Rasta song go, I live. That not gonna work, you know. That not gonna work, you know. You better go pay Shaggy one piece and kata, you know. And tell Shaggy you want remix was me. Cause me wanna know, oh, you so hot. You better go send Shaggy one money and remix. It wasn't me.
Yeah.
Oh, hear what mama say. One Birkin bags are like 35,000. 7 multiplied by 35. Oh God, that's a lot.
Sister D, calculation, right? The dog money up, man. A monkey money that fee, man. A stadium, them man, they sell out, you know, man. Them they are chump chains for burn a boy, man. Be a stadium, them man, they sell out.
Money make girl have manners. Yeah, me a blood clot tell no. So I don't know woman who go like say. But, oh, money don't let me have money make you have manners. Because if I want to look now, I look at artists at Jamaica, they do this. Anyone look at artists at Jamaica, you think the woman I sing over him. Them say that gone and that done and that fade away. Money make woman have manners. Ah, what's me I buy your Birkins, and me I buy your blood clot, watch me I buy that one the Rose Rice. I must say blood clot. You know, me can't say the woman more fuck, the woman a big woman for Jada Kingdom. Jada Kingdom himself for respect your elders. Jada Kingdom, your mouth have no filter. Your mouth come like TikTok on the double times 2. Jada Kingdom, your mouth have no filter. Come like a top sun rose, your mouth up on the times 2. It does a double so. Where me no man more fuck out? I know some never come off alive and go beard me stinking more, coming to beard from morning.
Yes, so people, we are going to pass this league and we are going to go over Raja that. Yes, so me I say, I hear Raja mix up brass. You know what I mean? Members say Raja mode boss, you know. I be things him I go talk, you know. You see me I say, but pan a level people are a good highlight for the two of them career. You know what I mean? Them have to take the opportunity, yeah. And meanwhile, them a clash, then drop some music, some good songs for people can, you know what I mean, listen to them. And make them stream go up and all it a go good for the two of them still, you know, because them a go get booking out of that clash here, you know. You see me? But me just want them get some hit song out of the clash, just like Vibes Cartel and Mavado get some whole heap of hit song. We cement them in the music. As someone this will go on with Jada Kingdom and Stefflon. You know what I mean? Me just want them keep it lyrical. You understand me I say? And just do them thing and entertain the fans. Because this the people them want, you know. You see me I say? This them want. So we are going to listen to Raja side, you know, people.
That do look like lipo is not shaped that. You can't add pick. But me I tell you, if she do lipo, that is not buying shape because I take she look fat out her belly. Nothing wrong if the girl take look fat out her belly. She never put it nowhere. And she don't have no plastic in her titty. I mean, I think she do nothing because I remember when Jada in the gym and slim up her waist. And lipo no plastic. Me remember when Jada in the gym and slim up her waist. So all who come tell me about she do lipo, I lie on her tell. Me I watch Jada when the little girl in the gym and slim up her waist till she come down thin so. Till me did I say, where mama heavy I do? Till me say, no man, that's look at she for have.
Yeah, man, she just shape up herself. Because she come in at the business look good and sexy, full of ass. You know what I mean?
But anyhow it be, if a lipo, how much body she do then? The girl natural. I mean, no, she have a good pussy. What
Burn,
a
I tell
Burner
you.
man lick Stefflon dan chip. I'm poop out. Who know see say? And me, you know, me like her tattoo them. Me like her tattoo them.
Yeah, man, Jada look good, man.
Me like her tattoo them. What a big pussy I say, you guys need to leave my artist alone. Jada Kingdom, Stefflon Danny. So who a trouble Jada? You see, say Jada we have cheer for official top girl. Oh, you so dunce, bitch. Yeah, the only thing I think she do a full up her lip for true. I don't think the girl do nobody. Everything natural about Jada. Yeah. When the look a gift. Me a beg on look a gift. Me they are 15. I want 16K to 14. Come help me cut down 14 now. Jada lips real. Well, me no know now. She not do nothing. She no need for boss me. I like Jada, so true me like her. Me a talk. And me a talk the good things about her. She need for boss me. My boss already. Move your blood clot. You know say my boss already. A Jada my things. So that me say. Jada me say. Yeah, a Jada me say. All before the war start. A Jada me say. And Jada bad girl. Me like Jada. Me no business. And who no like Jada suck me. I like the whole of my Jamaica artists, them, you know, my Jamaica woman, them, you know. But I like Jada. I don't know why I just like her. I like Spice too, you know. You know, say the queen that. I nah compare. I nah do no comparison. Spice in her own lane. Jada in her own lane. I like Chensia too. I like Chensia too. But I don't really compare them. Me not really like you know what me that want to see more Jamaica female artists I do? Work together.
Cho.
Like how you saw them American girl they work together and do the thing and go big.
Them war
Someone
same.
because me that like see them versatility and them talents put together. Me that like see them there. So me not compare Jamaican artists and say who better. No, me not do that. But I'm in love with Jada. Me love Spice first. Me not gonna lie. Spice was my girl first. I love Gracie. But Jada does win my heart. And Jada down to earth. And Jada the only one of them I say over TikTok here with we. And support we. And talk with we. And add we. And not act like she hype and better that way. And Jada alone I say do that. So me and she, me have to cheer for sorry. A lot of things that Burner Man hear. When he hear about the certified freak and he hear about Jada, Burner Man get turned on.
Squirt and cream, yeah, squirt and cream.
The girl say free fuck and rape. The girl say Birkin bag off a buy, Rolex off a buy. The girl say trip off a pay to Paris. The blood clot there things off a run. Hey Burner Man, where you feel like you can't take my Jamaica woman for no fool. You think a Dutch them did grow a speak? You think a Dutch me girl them did grow a speak? Don't ramp with my Jada, you know. Oh, you better buy her 10 more Birkin. Oh, what a way you Burner Man, what a way you set up Stefflon Dan. Yeah. I make Jada kick with her foot. Burner Man, you me a talk to. What a way you set up Stefflon Dan. I make Jada lick with her foot.
Make your boss blue like crispy.
Yeah, I bet me say Stefflon Dan now go want answer. Because anytime Jada want to clash them run. Because them know Jada a bad girl in her east side queen, you know.
And she get her file.
And look like Jada, no, look like a Burner Man tell her. You know, she say a pillow talk file them there.
Yeah.
Jada run the file. Jada say when you come to Jamaica, yeah man, never hear them things there, you know.
You know, we know them things there now.
Here I join them boss mode.
I will know one of them.
Pillow talk for sure.
Yeah.
Burn up, pussy, burn up, but I'm a bust up. After they go in out and get Jada King pussy. And the guy said she don't want him.
And him never say him get the best pussy at London. And him get the best pussy at Kingston. I buy a Birkin for Jada Kingdom.
I'm a 4-star ring down.
Down.
So I'm buy
Six more blood clot. Steffi I call him down, you know. The man all that show shades.
What you say she do in her intro she use I don't and something and say
Yeah.
if I get pussy like gas and he's not an artist. And then she say
So wait, the burner boy, why is a mama man? Burner man, how you stay so? You know, she said the boy talk, say the girl a ring down him phone. When him buy, so him buy 6 more, cause him phone a ring down. You know, see?
a bad gas, a bad man, bad thing.
And she don't act up herself on that track, yeah.
Calm.
But one
She
ear.
looks no, she looks at Ireland. She not looks at the real thing.
And she look like, yeah, right now, she just read her rights first.
Yeah.
To me,
She not decide.
I want hear Steph, you feel Steph, you got answer back. As she first drops, if she not answer back, she gonna lose.
She go answer man, cause Jada has something up her sleeve.
Me say if Steffi not answer, Steffi answer Steffi.
Next time,
Steffi, clear the ear, clear your name, Steph London.
Next time for Jada King's title for Jada King's I'm gonna name Pillow Talk. So we got to read it out, real situation.
Pillow Talk, she gonna name the song that me, she take it from.
Pillow Talk.
Jada Kingdom, the next track. When you make sure screen record it, make sure your name is Pillow Talk, cause look like the burner man tell you everything about the girl.
Yeah, Pillow Talk.
She not lose yet, we can't call it in the first 2 song, people.
No.
Wanna stop the bias.
We have to give them a chance.
We have to give her a chance to come back. Before the girl come back wicked.
We shut the Denham Town.
And then Jada gonna drop all the pillow talk, you
She
know.
need to come and get that to Denham Town, Venom there for us throw it back. And then East Side Queen gonna come and lick it back.
Dancehall need this, you know.
Yeah.
Me no feel Steffi go run. Me no feel Steffi go run still, cause Steffi bad, you know.
Bad girl settings, you know.
She have a bad girl thing, you know.
She have a
My
lot of
thing, I'ma tell you how my thing Steffi go come. Steffi go come back grimy, cause Steffi ignorant, you know, cause she ring down burner man phone when the bear came by, you know.
But listen,
So you saw she did angry in her first one.
Last year,
No, Steffi
Yeah,
link
right.
up Steffi the hammer.
Jada come-
So
Jada
Steffi gonna come back cross, angry, miserable, aggravated. Nobody can give better review than me. But I feel Jada have the pillow talk. You believe me say she gonna
making them say every time
Jada Kingdom I gonna name her next this track pillow talk.
every time Jada King say every time I'm ready for company.
It a go bust me, you know. And this a go bust me big call me and name that song ya pillow talk Jada. Yeah, Jada.
As Mr. People, we understand say Jada Kingdom have a man right now, and you da look a way for she a go back and forth with her next female over her next man. But the dog have to understand and give her the okay for do the clash. You see me I say? Because this is a push for her career. You know what I mean? Some would have loved to see more song from Jada Kingdom and Steph London. You see me? We want to see the little rivalry star. So the dog have to give her the okay for just continue.
And Jada, when Steffi drop this, people wanna make sure to tell Jada this. A pillow talk it her name, cause I know the boy chat Steffi business there, Jada. Jada from the hero, you construct that song there. I know you and the boy talk. And every time the girl call him and cuss him, yeah, then the blood clot Jada him have to tell that. I say, you're a good pussy, I want Miss Kingston. You know, she say it not breed out. You know, she say you're not fuck out. And you're not done out. And your pussy not done.
She said she gonna send us, make a man shoot up a cover and at the same time burn a boy by Stefflon and she said me send a man to come lick down that. She just tell us a broad.
Pillow talk the next song I gonna name.
Jada King send me at the box.
Well, Steffi no come from Kingston really, you know. You don't know nothing what that chat say. Steffi father come from Kingston,
Not
60
she.
fabulous, not she. Steffi born in England. Steffi come from England. She have Jamaican background, I mean she come from here. So you not chat one, you don't know. Cause remember across the road our father come from, and know about it. So let me tell you no. Steph London is not Jamaican. Steph London father is Jamaican. Him name 60 fabulous. Him used to go foreign back then and walk and fuck down the place. Him dead in the community violence with Tivoli and Demanton over there. Couple years ago. She's a British. She never born here, make me tell you, she not come from Kingston. So no fear pussy him attack. It's Twinkle all him attack. I'm not talk Twinkie. So Stephanie even fix up the girl name, put respect on her name. Cause she lick your chip. She no name Twinkle. She no name Twinkie. She name Twinkle.
She come on and go, she get like a boat, look at that gym.
She no come and sing, she big when the man dead. She come here. After her father dead, she come here. She not even did come here when her father alive.
She get no little rough up, no little.
Yeah, her mother white, you know. Oh, remember we see all her mother around there or something, you know.
When I think of that sister.
Yeah, Pinchy. Stefflon Dan sister around there, one of them named Pinchy. One of Stefflon Dan sister around there, them and town named Pinchy. Stefflon Dan keep to buy her some Birkin and some big car and so. Not Pinky, but sister named Pinchy. Not Pinky, Pinchy. Two sisters she have from around there. One of them not living in the area again. Me I tell you, say me know them business and her father named 60 Fabulous. Me know my mouth boss one. And her brother too.
Yeah, I jam
Her
out,
brother live
boss.
up at 666.
Everything in there, I can tell you now.
I tell them, say me know Stefflon Dan business. What I think Stefflon Dan and Jada.
Yo, a
Burn
village.
Man, them a fight, fam.
Yo, people. Roger, a village liar, you know. Yeah, man, a village liar that.
Yeah, Jada say every time Stefflon Dan come here, man run out her hole. You did hear that before, still, I don't know, Jada.
Here, dog. Yo, a village liar style, man, about Virgin.
I made hear from you. And the streets made it hear that.
So where you get that music?
So you never hear, cause you hear, but you never hear say, look now.
Watching Virgin now are involved in the mix up, you know.
I did that fuck it.
You never hear that.
Don't lie and stop fucking lie, cause you come from around there. You never hear say, such man did that fuck it. Jesus Christ, you know, come out of my house, you know, say me that.
How you want me to run way?
Me never said that. Me no want you run away. Me never say if you say nothing. No. We not call me. We don't want no shot fire off away. But just I say such man. Me like how you don't read the tree mix up today. I mean alone it they pan. But such man them say fuck it and never me say so. Such man me say. You know an essay a dirty blocks. And an essay a dirty blocks. People wanted a can.
So, people, alright, you saw you in it, you know what I mean? Tell me what you think. So, as I say, I would love the little war if it continue. You see me, I say? Because the two female them are good artists them. You see it, but Jada Kingdom no get that big break there like Stefflon Dan, because I think Stefflon Dan did sign to QC. You see me, the same label where Little Baby and the Migos them did sign to. You see me, I say that when him quality control. You see me? So I would love for Jada Kingdom career get a little boost, because she did sign to a label, I don't remember which label, and then after I think the label drop her or whatever, them part ways. You see it? And she said the other day when she do the live, say she independent. So if she be an independent artist, you know, and if she get a one hit song, she can get a label to sign to. You see me? Or she can just manage herself and just ride it to as long as the hype lasts, because she a get a highlight in the media. You know what I mean? With fear look a situation with Meg the Stallion X-Man party and a look a thing here with Stefflon Dan. So all she have to do I just, you know what I mean, make the best side. So just let me know what you think, people.